Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn another method of factorization of algebraic expression, that is using identities. Now we remember we have learned identities earlier. Let's write them down. Okay, so these are the three square identities, identity 1, 2 and 3. A plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now, when we see expression, if we see that expression resembles the right hand side of the identity, which means any of these, then we will replace it with the left hand side of the identity, and that will be our factors. So if something is resembling this, we will use this as the factors. In some cases, we may have to use more than one identity, or in some cases, we have to use the same identity more than once. So we need to be observing for these right hand sides resembling the expressions. Let's take a few examples. X square minus 12x plus 36. Now I see x square, which is resembling a square, minus 12x, minus is here. Then I see 36, which is the square of 6. So b square. So 36 is a square of 6. So here I have square of x and square of 6. So multiplication of them is 6 into x is 6x, and 2 times 6x, 2ab, 2 times 6x is 12x, and minus. That means this will be equal to a minus b. A is x minus b is 6 whole square using identity 2. And hence the factors are x minus 6 and x minus 6. These are the two irreducible factors of expression x square minus 12x plus 36. Let's see one more example. Now here I see first is a square term, last is a square term, and in between plus 20t. So somewhere close to identity 1. So let's see. If a is equal to 2t, then a square is 4t square. That's perfect. And if b is equal to 5, then b square is 25. That's perfect. Now in that case, the middle term should be 2 times a into b. So a into b is 2t into 5 is 10t. 2 times that is 20t and plus. Hence this one is exactly like this. So this will be equal to a plus b square. A is 2t plus b is 5 whole square using identity 1. And that means the factors are 2t plus 5 and 2t plus 5, because square means multiplication of the same number twice. Okay, what is to look for here? We have to look for the first and last term in the beginning. I looked at first term, which is 4t square, and I see that it is square of 2t. So I assumed a as 2t. Okay, and then I looked at the last term 25, and I know that this is square of 5. So I assumed b as 5. Now once I got a and b, I checked whether 2 times ab is same as the middle term, and I saw that 2 times ab is same. And then because the middle term has a plus sign, it is the first identity. Let's do the next one. 49 minus z square. Now I see only two terms. First and second identity has three terms. So they are out of question. Now look at the third identity. It is a square minus b square. First term, is it a square? Yes. So if a is equal to 7, then my first term is a square, 49. And second, if b is equal to z, then my second term is z square. So this would be now a plus b, 7 plus z, multiplied by a minus b, 7 minus z, using identity 3. Okay, so again we saw here only two terms, so we did not look at the first two. We just looked at the third and we found that they are same. Let's do one more. Okay, here there are four terms and we don't have any identity which has four terms. But if you see, if I split these, if I use only this much and keep this separate, then this resembles the second identity. So let's see if it is correct. A is A. So in my case, A is going to be A. B is square of, so here it's 49. So square root of 49 is 7. So B is 7. Now if I use this, A into B is 7A. And 2 times that is 14A. And I see the middle term is 14A with a minus. So which means this is the second identity. So I'll just do this. It will be A minus B whole square minus 64B square. Now I see that this resembles square of one number minus square of other number, square of one number minus square of other number, which is identity 3. And in case of identity 3, for my A is equal to A minus 7 and my B is equal to 8B. So this is same as A minus square minus 8B whole square. And so I can write it as A plus B. A is this. A minus 7 is A plus B plus 8B multiplied by A minus B. So A is A minus 7 minus B is 8B. And so what I get is A minus 7 plus 8B is one factor. A minus 7 minus 8B is the second factor. And we have factorized this. So now if you see here, we have used multiple identities. We have not used only one, we have used more than one identity. Let's see a last example. P raised to 4 minus 16. Now we see two terms. So first two identities we'll not look at. We'll look at third identity first. Square of one number. Yes, P raised to 4 means it is square of P square. So if A is P square, A square is P raised to 4. And if B is 4, 4 square is 16. So this will become P squares whole square minus 4. This is A, this is B. A plus B. P square plus 4. A minus B. P square minus 4. If we see here, P square minus 4, which is again in the same format, square of one number minus square of other number. Here A is P and B is 2. And hence I can factorize this further. So P square plus 4 remains as it is, and here it will be A plus B, which is P plus 2 and P minus 2. This one we have factorized here. And so now here if you see, we have used the same identity twice, first here and then again here. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.